What's up? I'm Sway from South Korea, represent LODB and TIP, and I'll show some footwork, switch, and like flow style. Cause my dance style is actually I use like a lot of floor and like balance and switch footwork. Okay, like just one is footwork. I'll show you like this. This is like switch. Like I can use like both way, and I use okay, I'll show you. A slow one, go inside, and this opposite way. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, then actually I'll show you when I use this one, like, yeah. This. Okay, I'll show you like slow one more. Go inside. And this. Change. Spin.